7 time-tested ways Dhanurasana benefits overall health. Dhanurasana is an effective weight loss program. It is a basic posture of Hatha yoga for which the body takes the shape of a Dhanush bow. It can strengthen the ankles, chest, abdominal organs, thighs, and spinal cord. The exercise pose is an all-round exercise to total body opening back bend. It is a time-tested method of losing weight and has been very successful among people who perform Dhanurasana as part of their daily fitness regime. Let us now learn about this pose and how it benefits one. Have a look. What is Dhanurasana? Dhanurasana poses is one of the 12 Hatha yoga poses. It is primarily one of the 3 main back stretching exercises. It gives the back a great stretch whilst providing flexibility and strength to the back. Things you should know before you try Dhanurasana: you should make sure to keep your stomach and bowel system empty before practicing this asana. Have your meals at least 4 to 6 hours before doing the asana in order for your food to get digested. You should have enough energy stored in order to practice the pose. It is best to practice the bow pose first thing in the morning. But you can try the exercise in the evening, as well, in case you fail to practice in the morning. Here are the Dhanurasana steps. Lie flat on your stomach, keeping your feet hip-width apart and your arms beside your body. Next, gently fold your knees and hold your ankles. Inhale, and lift your chest and legs off the ground. Pull your legs back. Maintain a straight posture. Hold the pose as you concentrate on breathing. Your body should be as taut as a bow. As you get comfortable in the pose, breathe long and deep. About 15 to 20 seconds later, exhale and release the pose. 1. Dhanurasana for beginners. When you start off as a beginner, it may be difficult to lift your thighs off the floor. You can roll a blanket and place it beneath your thighs to give it support while pulling up. Step-by-step poses. 1. Lie down in a comfortable position. 2. Take 2 to 3 deep breaths. 3. Bend your knees and hold your ankles using your hands. 4. Lift your chest off the ground and pull your legs up and back while inhaling. Take your whole weight off your abdomen. 5. Stay in the position for few seconds. 6. Continue taking deep breaths. 7. Exhale out after 15 to 20 seconds. And gently bring back the head and legs up to knee join. Maintain this position and slowly come back to original position. 8. Repeat the steps 4 to 5 times daily. 2. Advanced Guide. The Advanced Guide asana gives your abdominal organs a great stretch. For performing this, you must exhale and dunk a shoulder on one side of the floor. Here are the steps to perform it. Step-by-step poses. 1. Tug the foot on the opposite side towards the foot on the same side. Roll over on the same side. 2. Hold your ankles using your arms in the same position. 3. Hold the pose for 20 to 30 seconds. 4. Repeat the asana on the other side. Precautions. 1. Do not practice Dhanurasana if you suffer from high or low blood pressure, hernia and neck injury, pain in the lower back, headache, migraine or a recent abdominal surgery. 2. The pose should be avoided during pregnancy. 3. People suffering from heart problems should limit performing this exercise. 4. This asana should be performed on an empty stomach. 5. It is recommended not to do Dhanurasana immediately before bedtime as it stimulates the adrenal glands and the sympathetic nervous center in the navel, which may lead to sleep problems. 6. Pull your chest and thighs equally up and do not bend your elbows. 7. Keep the width of your knees strictly according to the width of your shoulders. 8. People with severe backache should avoid this. Benefits of Dhanurasana. The Dhanurasana benefits are as follows. 1. Promotes weight loss. This yoga pose provides maximum stretch on abdomen and abdominal sides. Doing this asana on a daily basis may help in removing excessive toxins from abdominal sides of the body and also tone it. 2. Treats diabetes. The pancreas is correctly toned by doing this asana. It helps in smooth secretion of glucagon and insulin to balance the blood sugar levels. Both type 1 and type 2 diabetic patients can benefit while practicing this yoga posture. 3. Aids digestive organs. When you try Dhanurasana, it does a gentle massage to your internal organs while facilitating digestion and removing waste from digestive system. 4. Strengthens the spinal columns. According to ancient yoga and modern science, the spinal cord is the most vital part of the human body. Doing Dhanurasana can benefit the spinal column. The ligaments, nerves, and muscles provide a perfect stretch and help relieve stiffness. The asana restore back elasticity to the spine and tones the abdominal organs. 5. Improves heart health. Dhanurasana yoga can help in reducing heart problems. 6. Strengthens shoulders. Dhanurasana yoga can strengthen shoulders, neck, abdomen, back, thigh, and hamstring muscles. Anyone who is struggling from tight shoulders should perform this yoga to open up the shoulders. This yoga pose can help in reversing hunching and providing gentle pressure on the shoulders. 7. Treats asthma. The asana yoga is greatly effective in removing asthmatic tendencies. It can help in realigning back and improve breathing process, which can result in free airflow through nasal passages.